The COVID 19 pandemic is exacting a huge toll on individuals, families, communities, and societies across the world. Our team came up with the idea to use data science to help the people involved in the sufferings given by this pandemic. We are going to analyze the COVID 19 data provided by Johns Hopkins University and predict the COVID 19 deaths upcoming in the future. We will study about how the chain of cases happen actually and how hospitals of a certain area can be prepared with ICU beds and ventilators for the deaths, as the shortage of ventilators due to present COVID-19 pandemic is a great challenge for India, and we are going to tackle it.
So next thing, we filtered and processed our data. So the techniques that we learned in class are like removal of duplicates and removal of extra columns, and using functions like varfun. So these are all the techniques that we employed in our project. So next we move on to training our model.
So we had two options for the machine learning models. The first one was ARIMA and second one was VR, that is vector auto regression. We decided to go for the second one because it was more suitable according to our problem statement.
So vector autoregression (VAR) is a forecasting algorithm that can be used when two or more time series influence each other. That is, the relationship between the time series involved is bidirectional. So it is considered as an autoregressive model because each variable is modeled as a function of the past values. That is, the predictors are nothing but the lags, that is the time delayed values of the series. And the primary difference is those are the other models, like the ARIMA models are unidirectional, where predictors influence the y and not vice versa, whereas auto regression model is bidirectional.